Welcome to new Python series guys. In this quick video we are going to see how to get user input. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to get a new variable called name and then set this equal to input, put parentheses. Inside the parentheses I'm going to put double quotation. Inside the quotation I'm going to type what's your name, dude. This line of code actually take input from user. In other words, it will ask user to give some sort of information and it will store that information into variable. And the next line I'm going to print, put parentheses. Inside the parentheses I'm going to put double quotation. Inside the quotation I'm going to type hello plus I'm going to pass name variable here and close the parentheses. If I run this program, first it will print what is your name, dude, and it will ask user to type some input. It will take whatever we type as input. So if I type yo as input, name variable saves yo as input, and the second line it will print hello plus the value of name variable. Well, it's yo, so it will print hello yo. Let's check this. I'm going to run this program. I'm the user, so I'm going to type yo and hit enter, and it says hello yo. It's easy, right? That's all for this quick video guys. I hope if you like this video, please consider to subscribe and share our videos to everyone that you know. And I'll see you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching.